overview reveals massive industrial collects, prediction considers metric
arid classified contingent, analyzing customer requirements for capacity, dimensions, and technical
train needs of the transit agency.
Design engineering adapts standard platforms to customers' unfair design approach. The structural design utilizes stainless steel or aluminum construction. Material selection balances strength, Underframe assembly constructs platforms supporting all equipment and passenger loads. Robust underframe provides mounting.
Heavy-duty bogies accommodate trimeters, breakers.
Wheel and axle assembly presses steel wheels onto axles using hydraulic equipment. The precise press fit creates a secure mounting.
Gearbox installation connects motors to axles through reduction gearing. Optimized gear ratios provide appropriate
2334.13. Brake equipment integration installs disc brakes on each wheel set. Redundant brake.
Primary suspension installation mounts springs and dampers between axles and bogie frames. Primary suspension isolates high-frequency track irregularities. Stainless skin application installs corrosion-resistant exterior panels. Unpainted stainless steel reduces maintenance while providing attractive appearance and excellent durability.
Aluminum extrusion assembly constructs lightweight car body for some designs. Aluminum structure reduces weight, lowering energy.
Composite panel installation applies fiberglass or carbon fiber components in specialized applications. Advanced materials.
Interior partition installation constructs walls dividing passenger areas from equipment compartments. Partitions create functional spaces while exterior team. Ceiling panel mounting installs modular overhead panels concealing structure and systems. Attractive ceiling finishes.
Flooring installation applies slip-resistant materials withstanding heavy foot traffic. Durable flooring provides safe walking surface.
Seating installation mounts longitudinal benches or individual seats. Seating layout balances seated capacity.
Wheelchair accommodation provides designated spaces with tie-down points and grab bars. Accessible areas enable independent.
Door system installation mounts plug-type or pocket sliding doors. Wide door openings and
234.29. Door operator mounting installs electric or pneumatic actuators. Powerful operators reliably.
234.30. Door safety edge installation applies pressure-sensitive edges, preventing
Laminated or tempered glass providing visibility while ensuring passenger safety. Bonded glazing adds structural strength preventing dangerous glass fragmentation during accidents or vandalism.
Move, quickly! Everybody out now! Help us, we're trapped! Go, go, go!
Lighting installation embeds LED fixtures throughout passenger compartment. Energy-efficient lighting.
Lights that surround HVAC equipment mounting installs climate control systems, maintaining comfortable temperature and air quality. Powerful.
Electrical cabinet installation houses main circuit breakers and distribution equipment. Centralized electrical systems safely distribute power throughout the train.
sophisticated power electronics enable precise speed control and efficient regenerative braking, maximizing energy efficiency. Zoom 234.42.
High-voltage cable routing connects power collection to traction equipment.
Voltage is stable across all systems.
Confirmed. Auxiliary power is fully engaged.
Air compressor mounting installs pneumatic generation equipment. Adequate compressed air supply operates door.
Anti-lock braking system prevents wheel lockup during sewer and heavy maximizes braking lane.
Standing equipment installation provides traction enhancement during slippery conditions. Automatic sanders dispense sand.
Automatic train operation equipment installation integrates onboard computers, enabling driverless operations.
Train control install sense mounting installs transponders and communicating with trackside equipment.
Collision avoidance system integration with system plan. Calculate.
Control, this is train 52. Track clear, running on schedule.
Train 52, we have an incident ahead. Hold position at the next signal.
Passenger information display. Mounting position. LCD screens showing route maps and station information.
Attention passengers. We are experiencing an unexpected technical difficulty. Please remain seated and await further instructions.
There's smoke up ahead. We need assistance right away.
Understood. Stay calm. Help is being dispatched to your location.
Thank you.
Security camera installation mounts surveillance equipment monitoring passenger areas. Comprehensive video coverage deters crime and vandalism.
Attention. Emergency. Evacuate the train immediately. Move quickly to the nearest exit.
Instrument panel mounting positions gauges and indicators displaying speed, brake pressure.
Like braking, like that. Down like realizing
Attention all personnel. The high-speed rail is approaching the station platform now. Stand clear.
Exterior graphics application applies vinyl wraps or paint, displaying operator livery and advertising. Attractive.
Anti-graffiti coating application protects surfaces from vandalism. Special coatings enable easy cleaning of spray paint and mark. Underbot equipment fairing installation covers bogie and equipment with aerodynamic panels. Streamlined fairings reduce air resistance and
organized wiring with proper labeling facilitates troubleshooting and maintenance throughout decades of service life.
Pneumatic piping installation connects compressed air to brakes, doors, and suspension systems. Properly
for imports. Cooling system piping routes and refrigerant connecting HV components. Properly installed refrigeration lines prevent.
Sound insulation installation applies acoustic materials throughout structure. Multiple insulation layers reduce
23479. Thermal insulation integration installs materials controlling heat transfer through
234.80. Fire-resistant material certification verifies interior components meet strict flammability.
Static testing applies loads verifying structural strength before operational testing. Comprehensive load testing confirms
Dynamic testing evaluates performance at various speeds. Extensive testing validates ride quality, braking, and system operation before acceptance.
2.3334 implicit. Brake performance testing measures stopping distances under very
Climate testing subjects vehicles to temperature extremes, validating HVAC performance.
Noise test.
Vibration testing measures structural response throughout speed range. Analysis ensures comfortable ride quality.
Bud changer. Electromagnetic compatibility testing verifies systems don't interfere with each other or trackside equipment. EMC testing.
High voltage insulation testing verifies electrical safety under normal and sure.
234.90. Commissioning testing integrate inverters. Quality inspection examines every system, verifying workmanship and specification compliance. Rigorous multi-stage.
The data confirms we've met all the performance specs, particularly the range and charging efficiency.
Very impressive results. We are happy to finalize the acceptance.
This diagnostic interface provides real-time data on the battery management system.
And this is the procedure for the equalization charge, correct?
That's right. Just follow the steps outlined in the manual.
234.94. Technical documentation provision supplies maintenance manuals, electrical schematics, and parts catalogs.
234.95. Spare parts provision and establishable inventory supporting vehicle maintenance. Adequate parts availability ensures rapid.
234.96. Warranty support provides manufacturer assistance addressing early operational issues. Factory support.
Delivery logistics coordinates transport to customer facilities worldwide. Specialized rail transport or ocean shipping.
The issue was localized to Earth's access panel. We've secured the connection. Confirmed.
Minutes. Performance monitoring analyzes operational data from initial service, validating design assumptions. Data collection. 3. Fleet standardization benefits transit agencies through parts commonality and simplified maintenance.
Technology transfer provides customers manufacturing capability for local assembly. Knowledge sharing supports domestic. 234.102. Continuous improvement incorporates lessons learned from service experience.
234.1003. Customization capability adapts designs for specific customer requirements, including gate.
Accessibility features ensure universal access, including wheelchair spaces, priority seating, and audio-visual.
Security features incorporate vandalism-resistant materials and tamper-proof equipment. Robust construction with Life extension programs enable midlife overhauls extending vehicle service beyond 30 years. Comprehensive
historical significance recognizes pioneering metro systems influencing rail vehicle development. Heritage trains from
234.109. Global deployment supplies major cities worldwide, from New York to Tokyo.
Employment thousands of skilled manufacturing jobs. Metro train production provides stable, well-compensated employment.
Technology leadership drives innovation, advancing metro train capabilities. Continuous research and development maintains.
Export revenue contributes significantly to national economies. Successful international generated foreign exchange.
Quality reputation builds customer loyalty through reliable performance. Established track record of quality and service. Environmental stewardship minimizes manufacturing impacts through efficiency and waste reduction. Sustainable production practices.
Remember to verify the safety interlocks are fully engaged before you start the sequence.
Innovation investment funds research developing next-generation technologies. Continued research and development maintains technological leadership addressing future transit challenges and opportunities.
Supply chain management coordinates hundreds of suppliers providing components and materials. Sophisticated logistics.
Strategic partnerships collaborate with technology companies advancing capabilities. Joint development programs access specialized expertise.
Customer service excellence maintains relationships throughout vehicle life, ongoing technical support and spare parts provision. Professional recognition earns industry awards for design excellence and innovation. External validation enhances reputation.
Future vision anticipates autonomous operation, alternative propulsion, and enhanced passenger amenities.
Urbanization trends drive demand for
Sustainability contribution enables environmentally friendly mass transit, reducing automobile dependence.
Social equity advancement provides affordable mobility, connecting communities with employment and services.